back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. And today I'm gonna be doing something. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so today we're gonna go on Zedge and we're gonna look at funny memes and like listen to stuff. And it's gonna be funny. Yeah, I'm screen recording. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi, Ashlyn.
Hi.
Hi, Mason. There's no camera. You're dumb. Say hi.
Hi.
So today I'm gonna be looking at funny memes. Yeah, totally, bro.
Is the camera actually on?
No, there's no camera. I'm screen recording. Funny memes. I guarantee you I probably spelled memes wrong. Okay, so first one. iPod, iPad, iPad, iPad. Okay, so we should do the try not to laugh thing, okay? Oh, say hi to Corey.
Hi.
Go subscribe to Corey Plays with the Z.
Capital
so
P. Capital C.
Roar! You 1v1 me noob. Oh! These are not very childish. I am the eater of worlds and of children. You are next. Oh, never mind.
Oh, never mind. What's that one?
That was suck. Obamacare. Stop sending me this.
Oh, wow.
Girl shaped like this. Talk to
Yes.
Let me watching a movie. Suddenly, main character goes underwater. Immediately, I hold my breath. Breathing again. Character is still underwater.
I know, right?
I would have died.
Exactly.
I am your father. No! Happy Father's Day. I am your father. I am your father. No, no, no. I am your father. No, I am your father.
Bruh.
Obviously, my mother.
Oh, my God.
Dude, what did you answer on question 6? Question 6. Well, yeah, on the backside. There was a backside?
Exactly. I know, right?
Keep going. Just keep scrolling.
Fat person.
Help! Okay, so
Okay.
me playing my favorite game. Go, go, go! Cover me! Fire in the hole! Honey, stop playing. Come eat. Okay, Mum. I'm your wife, idiot. When did I get married? Me, though. That's 100% me, guys. Time to get my new passport photo. Poker face, poker face, poker face, poker face. Load. It is Monday morning. I'm over 20 and don't study or work. I can browse Reddit all day. I can browse Reddit all day. Okay, guys, now we're going to go listen to ringtones. Oh, I love this ringtone. Yeah. Dance. Dance. Yeah. Okay, this one. Get off. And fight, bro. I love this meme.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, this is officially my new screen, everything.
You can everything to that?
Yeah. The contact. Ringtone,
The pain remover.
My bro.
Which is Zoe.
My mom. twerking. Look at this dude.
Quan. Hey, Quan.
Hey, can somebody please put a trash bag in the trash can? And put the lid on it.
No, I'm going to have a trash can. Not the trash can.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys.
Can lid and wipe it off.
I'm going to do one.
Put the trash can in it.
Today, you look at trash can.
I'm going to twerk. Wait, hold on. Hit it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.